Hi guys, welcome to Lance Vlog. For tonight, we will go to Ross Plaza at Balad to buy some stuff for our friends' son's birthday. We will give some special gift, and for now we are here outside waiting for the car at the Karim car, and while waiting we are sitting here at the outside, guys. We will wait for 30 minutes. So while waiting for the car, guys, we are here outside sitting in the street. We're like street people here, guys. See? So she's Jet Vlog. Please subscribe to her. And of course, my mentor, Ken's Vlog, our mentor pala. Please don't forget to subscribe to them also, guys. Finally, guys, nag-arrive ng aming malaking sasakyan, VIP, Grab. Nakakaloka. Ang liit ng karoon.
Nakala ko naman na kung ano yun, Cash.
Sabihin mo kung saan tayo.
Now we are at the car. We are on way to Ross Plaza, Balad.
Can you wear the seatbelt?
Uy! Wait lang. Ayun guys, nasa sasakyan na kami. Papunta na kami sa Balad. Ito yung driver, Grab driver.
No, he's our friend.
Ay, hindi pala Grab driver.
He's our friend.
He's one of the employee of our hospital,
Yeah.
Armed Forces Hospital Nachora.
Yeah.
So now, he will bring us to our destination in order to buy some special gift for our friend's sons.
So you can invite him also.
And maybe on the day of celebration, we will invite him, inshallah, according to Allah. This is Ross. Just straight, huh?
Why?
You know Balad?
Yeah, I know, but I will go this way.
No, this is you're going this. No, that main road is traffic. Okay?
You know this
Alright,
way,
this is
Yeah,
ano,
he knows.
Hams. This road is straight. There is no more cars. Okay? So these are
You know?
these are huh? I know, brother. These are my companions. This guy is also working in the safety department
Yes.
with the Ken's Vlog. Dennis, this guy at the back. Okay? So until here only, just wait later. We'll get back to you, inshallah.
Sorry, you
Bye
waited
bye.
too much time. Sorry.
See you at the main destination, guys. Mas salama. So guys,
You show the road. See the lighting very good.
yeah, it's against the light. Don't worry, my friend. You have live GPS. I'll be your GPS for now. So I know the area. I know where will we go. I know the road.
Go straight, huh?
Yeah, straight, just straight. It's traffic, guys.
We have to show the traffic.
Yeah, we have to respect the. Oh, that car is very small also. Right? I really hate traffic. My gosh.
You can put any song, sir.
Sign?
Song.
Song.
Yeah.
Just put song, no problem.
No,
Dennis though.
Dennis, sir.
Song. You have song?
No. The Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. Bluetooth is okay. Anyway, it's weekend, guys. It is also our time to unwind ourselves. Yeah, it's too boring also to stay always in our house. So some other time we will go outside to refresh our mind. Finally, guys, we arrived at the Ross Plaza. This is our destination tonight that we're going to buy the stuff as we have said while ago. So let's go. Let's come inside. Tayo muna. Yan guys, andito na kami, namimili na kami ng kami. Pero
tayo niyan.
I'm hoping makapili kami. Diyos ko, hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung choice ng bata.
Hindi fascinate ng ganito.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Wala akong mapili nito. Hindi ko marunong eh. Ay, ito oh. Flowering. Oo nga, ay hindi nga alam. Hindi ko nga maalam eh. Baka hindi niya gusto yung napili ko, nakakaya. Okay naman to. Kaya to. Diyan, sino mo to napili ko ah. Weh. Ikaw ah. Nuloko na.
Ang ganda siya.
Ha? Ganda ba? Ito. Ayaw niya nito. Ayaw niya kaya.
Match kulay ni Tatan. Yan.
May ano naman na ba? Ganyan. Baka si Allen ang gagamit niya. Nakakaloka. Ha? Ano ba? Ang hirap naman. Wala akong mapili. Uy. Nahirapan ako. Ang hirap, promise. Hindi ko naman alam kasi anong gusto ng baby na yun. Okay lang ba jogging pants? Wala pa nga eh. Malaki daw yung sabi ni ano.
Malaki yan masyado sa kanya. Mahaba, I mean.
Malaki naman ang katawan niya eh.
Patawan niya, malaki.
So far guys, nakakita ako. Medyo okay naman. I bet na ano, sana magustuhan ng bata.
Vlogging.
Kapa siya guys. Kapa. So, ito lang naman ang nagustuhan ko guys. Sana magustuhan ng pagbibigyan ko. So, ito yung para sa kanya guys.
Ito naman sa akin. Maganda yung liquid na puti mo, bes.
Kapa naman siya guys. So so far hindi nakakaya, di ba? Char. Alin ang 5 dyan?
Buy two, take two lang.
Okay.
Buy two, take two.
Hi guys! Ito tapos na. Nakabili na kami. Ngayon, uwi na kami guys. Kasi gabing-gabi na. Tara!
Yeah.
Tama na.
We're gonna go.
Happy birthday!
Ano yung vlogs na yan? Vlog na yan, vlog.
Ba't parang nag-deadma ako? Welcome to my vlog guys!
Hindi siya nag-Indian.
Kaya ba?
Ha?
Chacha.
Hindi nagwadi, di ba siya? Sana all.
Sana all. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nathan. We are now in the birthday celebration of Nathan, guys. Yes! Welcome to... Yan mga food, guys. Ang dami.
Chong!
Ano kay Ate Emily? Para dito kay.
Ang daming bisita, guys, oh. Happy birthday, Nathan. Hi! This is Geraldine's vlog. Please subscribe to her channel, Geraldine. These are the visitors. Saan si Dennis? Halika na! Siyempre, papasok tayo sa main, dining. Ay, daming guys. Hi, Kuya! Gang! Tikman ang candies.
Dagang ka po nasa kusina, nandiyan lahat ng plato.
Ay, mga ekal dito, oh.
Uy, Gus, ito mo sa. This one, nice one. This one. Asa si Amberita? Save to kay Amber. Meron na, ma'am. Meron na. Doktor ka, mag-kitchen food.
Say hi to my vlog, Lance Alan.
Hi!
Thank you, guys. I'm out. Mambulabog ako sa loob. Wow, nandito ang main activity, oh. Mga guys ng moda. Mga hard rock ng moda. Gusto ko yan. Hindi yan, oh. Hey! Ayan, kumakanta si Madam. Ganda pala ng boses niya. Pang diva. Hindi ko makatayo. Gusto ko. Kuha ng boses siya. Ganda pala.
Oh,
Abadagad, Diyos ko. Ayun ko i-focus doon baka ano ako copyright.
Please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't tell me how to tell her about you.
Ikaw na rin.
Sama na yan.
No.
Tayo mo na.
Ano? Tayo na yan. Tapos si Manolo.
Hospital.
Bongga si Madam.
palakpak? Nangya kayo?
Ayun, pwede ata.
Manok na pula daw, tapos sasaya rito. Manok na pula.
Dong, walang sing...
Manol, si manok na pula, oy.
Walang pool eh, kaya walang dancer.
Manok na pula. Manok na pula.
May pinagdadaanan tayo.
Ross!
Nawala tuloy, Amber! Ang daming audience! Woo! Baga maano ako sa child, ano? Ano yun? Mapokus sa bata.
Ito'y may hangganan. Buksan mo ang pintuan kasama ng iyong puso. Hinangay naman hangin sa masamang panaginip.
Amber, halika!
Veritas!
Ito'y nagmamahal. Huwag mo sayangin ang panahon, pagkat ito'y nagmamahal. Puso, hinangay na ng hangin ang Plaza. Bilis na! Bilis na! Uy! Uy! Ay! Ay! Ang sarap! Hala! Sayang naman oy. Dapat may sayaw din. Sayaw oy. Sige na. Noon pa man ikaw na talaga ang harap ko sa tuwi-tuwi na. Kailan kaya kita maaarot? Kailangan ko ang iyong labi. Kailangan ko ang iyong bisig. Kailan kaya kita may uuwi? Sige na, sige na. Maliit mo naman, mahawak naman, di na kita madyansingan.
Hoy, nakakainis ito. Pod, sayaw ka na, Pod. Oh, nasira ang video ko sa take out. Ay, wala na. Nawala ng highlight ko. Grabe, wala na, oh. Kasi mo sala. Oh, John! Sayaw na! Joseph!